Let me now tell you what is happening in Tirupati with regard to the Tirumala Laddu controversy. The prasadam, which was reported to have been allegedly adulterated, has led to some arrests as well. CBI has arrested 4 individuals in connection with the case. 4 people arrested are basically ghee suppliers, and that is where the irregularity charge has come in the preparation of the Laddu prasadam. Those arrested include Bipin Jain and Pomal Jain, former directors of Bhole Baba Dairy. There is one CEO of Vaishnavi Dairy, Kant Chawda, and Raju Rajshekharan, who is the managing director of AR Dairy. Accused have been sent to 14 days judicial custody. Now, the probe reveals that this is on the basis of false documents, false seals that were to manipulate the tender process submitted. Probe has revealed fake records were created in the ghee procurement from dairies, and the quantity was not of the required level. Remember that the previous government led by Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy was when impure materials allegation had come in. The latest government, incumbent government, had charged at the Reddy government saying impure materials were reportedly found in the Laddu Prasadam and nothing was done. This is now a CBI monitored SIT that's probing into the charges. Abdul Bashir joining me for the latest on that. Abdul, good morning. Tell us more about the details of what has led to the arrest of these 4 ghee suppliers.
Well, the investigation that was ongoing by the EP government regarding the adulteration of ghee in the prasadam or the laddu that was provided as prasadam at Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, wherein in this investigation, 4 people have been arrested so far. Namely, Bipin Jain, Pomil Jain, who was the former director of Bhole Baba Dairy, and Vaishnavi Dairy CEO of Apurva Vinay Kant Chawda, and AR Dairy MD Rajshekharan. So these were under radar previously during the preliminary investigation, but the further investigation revealed that these people have made several irregularities in the tender process, in the supply of ghee, and also what we understand is that serious violation during the ghee supply had taken place, and fake records were created by Vaishnavi Dairy, which is whose CEO has been arrested. And apart from that, what we see is that they did not have a capacity to supply the amount of ghee of which the tenders they were, called for, or they had taken charge of. So these were the allegations that were put forward by during the investigation. And now these 4 people have been arrested with the evidence that has been provided by the SIT. These 4 have been sent to judicial remand for 14 days by the courts. Now this SIT that had been formed by the AP government had been probing the adulteration of ghee that was provided in the prasadam. Now allegations here were that several of the impurities were used in the prasadam that was said to be pure prasad that would be provided by the TTD.
We'll keep tracking the latest on that because this will need to have a proper conclusion, and we hope that the arrests and more investigation will lead us to allay any fears of the devotees, especially because when the prasad is consumed, remember, it's with a lot of belief that everything, all the procedures, the protocol has been followed.